This is the blue list. Number 1, socks. I am wearing brown socks with my brown pants. Number 2 is shop. We need to shop for groceries so that we can make dinner. Number 3 is ham. We're going to have ham and potatoes for dinner. Number 4 is hose. I used the hose to water the plants. Number 5 is soap. Wash your hands with soap when you come into the classroom. Number 6 is mush. The cereal turned into mush because I added too much milk. Number 7 is hello. Say hello to your grandma. She just got here. Number 8 is stiff. My back felt stiff from sitting on the floor. Number 9 is shut. Shut the window. It's way too cold outside. Number 10 is shack. We keep fishing poles in the fishing shack.